Well, first of all, I want to thank Mr. Gunawan for this wonderful opportunity. And right now, I will tell you about my daily activities. The day starts when I wake up at 5:30 a.m. Well, it's usually different on the weekends. After that, 30 minutes, I rush to make my bed and start doing homework like sweeping and washing dishes. After that, I prepared breakfast and immediately ate it for about 10 minutes. So the time was approximately 6:10. After breakfast, I immediately take a shower and it usually takes 10 minutes too. Next, I get dressed and immediately get ready to leave. Usually, when I leave the house, it's 6:30, so I have to walk to the bus stop for about 20 until 30 minutes. I arrived at campus around 7:30 and there was still time to review the lessons that day. Classes are usually held until 11 o'clock, so my friends and I often eat together in the lobby or in the garden. We then continued our class until the classes are over at 4:45 p.m. Then I walked back home and it took about 30 minutes. Usually I get home by 5:30 p.m. I change my clothes and immediately clean myself. I took a short break after eating at 7:45 p.m. And after eating, I immediately prepared myself for tomorrow, whether it's doing homework or preparing for tomorrow clothes, even reading some books. And after studying, I take time to refresh my brain by listening or watching music, especially music by Celine Dion, Whitney Houston, and Mariah Carey. After listening to some music, I went to bed at 10:30 p.m. I think that's all about my daily activities. Thank you for listening, Mr. Gon.